Tozama ugogo nomkhulu sarukwasendoda ugogo bathini bathi uma wavula kuvala emzini madoda u-Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith. How do you spend your money? How do you spend your money? It's a tough one yet again because I've seen people who are hungry for success, who are hungry to achieve something, who are hungry just to have a job. It doesn't matter how much it pays, just for them to have the job. Who are very hungry. Like literally, like you can tell, hey, this person, they miss that SMS that will come on the evening of the 25th, evening of the 15th, the 1st, whenever the payday is, even if they are paid, they were to be paid daily. They are looking forward for it. They are looking forward. No matter what, their focus is like, Gogo, if I can just have an income so that I can bring back my dignity to myself. That is important. Do you want to get a job, or do you want to have that deal or whatever to prove a point, or you're doing it for yourself? So on the positive side, on myself, Gogo, I want to make it. I can see, Gogo, I have a potential. Gogo, I want to change my life. Gogo, I'm hungry to change my life. Well, not everybody who's hungry to change their lives are really hungry. No. Not everybody. Other people, they are hungry to prove a point. Other people, they are hungry so that they can suppress others. There's a difference. There's a huge difference. So we need to be careful. If you decide, I'm going somewhere to get something or to get help for me to be wealthy, for me, Gogo, if I can just afford, Gogo, I can't even afford a box of match. If I can just afford something to eat, Gogo, airtime nyana, data nyana, because there are people who know how capable they are. Lalela, all they need is data. Give them one data a week for just a month. You will see what that person can do with their brains. They know they have to contact Sbanibani and Sbanibani. They have a proposal ready. They organize events. They are baking. They do that and everything. They want to search who's looking for their service, things like that. They just want to interact with their clients. Then they are fine. They don't want you to come with your lot of suitcase full of money. No, they're not there. By full mali yako. Then what do you do with that money? Where do you spend that money? Are you spending that money on what? Sometimes things that we fetch, things that we have, things that we are longing to have, multi-wise. I want to go to Kusbanibani to get a scoop. For example, the plans of Iskopu, people will be angry at me, but it's okay. When you go and look for a scoop, it is always the idea behind. I'm just making scope for example. Always the reasons behind a scope, a reason behind whatever that you are going to fetch, it's positive all the times. I've never heard anyone when I get to the phase of saying, I've done everything that I was supposed to do with this. Now you need to talk to it before you live with it. So that my ancestors and your ancestors, they are fused together in this. Then you go and use it. Then I give you a chance. You are on your knees. You are talking to Iskop Sako. Lalela, I have never heard anyone, it has never happened, anyone that will say, Gogo, or Tozanbo Koko Nomkulu, I need this group to assist me to attract men, to attract women. I need this group to assist me to afford the bills when I take my friends out. I need this group to assist me to charm the ladies. I want this group to assist me to fit in. Whatever I do, I want to fit in. I want everybody to see me that I have arrived. I want this group to give me a car that when I rev it, the girls will be crazy about me. I want when I walk into a party, I want to fill up the tables and count the empties. No one have ever said that. No one. Keko. Keko. That's why I'm saying, how are you spending your money? Yes, you now have money. You now have whatever you asked in the scope positively. I want the scope to help me in my businesses. I've been trying this business for too long now. I also have other business idea. My people they're not paying me. What? You are positive. You are assigning iscope. You are telling iscope, like, before you take it, what is it that you want iscope? You are focused. You know exactly what is it that you tell iscope. You are dead focused to iscope sakho. You know for sure what is it that you want from lesi scope. Lalela, you don't care who says what. You are strictly focused to say, this is what I need, this is what I want to achieve, and always it's positive and it's achievable. It's positive and you can achieve it. Now, what happened? What is it that happens to us when we're now having that money? What happened to our hands? Does it mean our hands, they lack the magnet to hold money? What happens to the change of plans as soon as somebody has money? I'm definitely sure you heard of somebody who's about to get their pension fund. They've been working for years. And I'm sure you know a story or two that you can share with us in this family channel, whereby somebody is telling us, who cares to listen, of what are they going to do with their money. I want to extend this house. I want to pay off my bond. I want to buy a car. I've heard this thing when I grew up. Many people then they'll say, I want to buy a van and sell vegetables, or I want to buy a van and sell coal. Yeah. So you want to buy a van. You want to enter into an ice business, ice cube business. Gogo, I'm retiring now. I still feel that I still have energy. I want to continue with the work I'm doing to install satellites for people. Now I'll be doing it for myself. Gok, I want to do this. Gok, I want to do that. There's no one who's about to get their pension fund or their money for UIF that have negative plans. No one. They all have positive plans. And they all promise the people that they stay with. That's the most painful part. They promise that the ones that they stay with, baby, when I get my money, we're going to do this, we're going to do this. When I go there, what. At the same time, they're doing the opposite. Before they get that money. Before they get the money, they're doing the opposite. So this side, they promise, while they also promise friends the good life. You'll see when I get money. I'll live for you. How many people do you know or you knew or you heard about who are being taken care of because they know that they are waiting for their money for Raf. A person was not talking to you, but as soon as you told them because you're waiting for money for the Raf, they are now your friends. They've never cared about you. They were never there for you. But now, imali yaka Raf, futhi lega Raf ngathi nebhadi. Raf money needs a deep cleansing, man. Guys, I don't know. Who do you know from Raf that you can refer me to? I think that money needs a cleansing. They must bring all that money to Emakosin so that I perform a cleansing. You know, so that I pray for that money so that when people get that money, you know how much I wish people can get Raf money and use it wisely. I have a friend of mine who got something, some monies that were invested somewhere. He is doing exactly what he planned to do with his money. Lalela, from A up to Z, he's online on what he wanted to achieve with that money. Why is he online? Because he did something on him before he received that money. He did something before he received the money. So by the time he received the money, there's no mist in their brain. They are clear what is it that they've planned to achieve, and they are doing that. I think it's the one in many that I know. Very few that I know that were waiting for their money, then they got their money, and they did exactly what they've planned with their money. What happens? You're staying with somebody, which I said is the most painful part. You promise them. And this thing is done by men most of the time. Most of the time, what I'm talking about now is done by men. You promise your family to say, my babies, my wife, my baby, love wami, stand sami, whatever you call him, my popcorn, my stock sweet, I'll buy you this, I'll do this, I'll extend, I'll buy, don't worry, we'll remove these windows, I'll put the aluminiums, I'll put the nice tiles on the bathroom, I know you want a new kitchen, I'll do that and everything. The Jezebels, abantwana, abo nice, abantwana, abo sne, they are not in the picture. They don't even see you. Your friends, they don't even... You'll sometimes forget a phone inside the house and you'll go and visit somebody. You'll come back and say, baby, did anyone call? No, but did you leave your phone behind? No, ngibonanga. No one calls you. Awaziwa. This woman is either she's not working, but she's making means. Borrowing from the family members, handouts, what, or she's working. She's pulling very hard to make sure that this family stands. Because women, they play a very, very important, a very crucial role in our lives. That's why a house without a woman, it's a house, not a home. So you have this woman that is making this house very conducive. In the midst of other women that they disrespect, they undermine their husband if they're no longer having an income, but you have this woman who is there for you. Besides the fact that you are waiting for your money from UIF, RALF, Road Accident Fund, or your pension fund, they are there for you. Bayakuphilela. Boom. I really don't know what happens. I really don't know. I don't know. I think my friend must tell me, where did he go for him to be able to do A, B, C, D, E? We speak not almost. We speak every day. He will tell me, but I went there, I've paid for this. I went there and there, I did this. I went there and there, I did this. You know, but I want to have a family now, but I want my own space. I want to build. He got the land. It's not much of the money. No, I'm not talking about millions. I think my friend got about 50,000. But the way he spent that 50,000, you will swear Uguti, it's like a woman. You know, he is spending that money like a woman. No, this I can get this one, I can get this one. No, I need a stand from the rural, not here. It's gonna be expensive. I'll pitch there, I'll pitch there. You'll swear that he has a lot of money. He doesn't. He doesn't. His savings were very little. But he has achieved things that a person that is waiting for 500,000, you wouldn't even achieve 1% of what he has achieved. I'll always refer, I blew it. Shows. You've seen other, our sisters and brothers, how they do things. Are we learning from such shows, or we are watching those shows to laugh at them and say, I would have done better? I would have done better. You see, if it was me, that guy is stupid. You know, to see his home, no, I would have built a house, I would have done that, I would have done that, I would have done that. You are lying. You are lying. You can't even handle your salary, but you're talking rubbish. You'll do this, you'll do this, you'll do this. Let's not judge people because you have never been to that situation. Let's learn from them. What can I do better? I've said, you are waiting for your money, you are waiting for a tender to pay, you are waiting for an invoice to pay, UIF, RAF, whatever. What makes you promise in the house and you go to your friends and you make debts? They even know exactly how much you are going to get. You now have a list of things that you took for credit. You're owing the loan sharks. Where do you think you're going to get another money? Because the people you've promised are the people you are afraid even now. You cannot take chances and not to pay them. What then do you do? What do you do? You promise these people to say, guys, no matter what, if I get my money, I'll pay you. The other one or the same person will now get the money. Now you have new friends. Now your wife is not a good wife anymore. Yeah, your partner is not, she's no longer good. Yeah, you know, sometimes you don't want to sleep with me, sometimes do what. Now because of you have money, now you are seeing what mistakes does she has. You know, now you can see which is not perfect because now you have money. Things that you're complaining about her, or what she's doing, she has been doing, you have never told anyone while you were broke. But now you have money and you want to justify for somebody or to somebody that cares to listen to your lies. Uguti, she's a bad person. He is a what. Why? We did a video on what happened on when the man doesn't have money anymore, when the man does not have income anymore. We have spoken about that. However, I want us to be realistic on something here, because this is a family channel. We need to balance things that deserves to be balanced. This one deserves to be balanced. It's rare to see. I'm not saying it doesn't happen. Listen to my broken English. It's rare to hear, to see ukuthi a woman moved out as soon as she had the money. Whatever they do that is negative, if we may say it is negative, they do it within the family. They stay. It's rare. But Tina, as soon as we have money, there's a new girlfriend and girlfriends. There's new friends who are there for that period of time. Those that were there for you to say, hey, my brother, I know now, one data nyana, mapia nyana itu my outie. You understand? My out, I need something for petrol. I'm going to see the doctor. I'm still fixing my papers. The people that were assisting you to fix your papers, to go to the doctor, to what. Now that you have the money, now that, boom, imali sesandleni, you forget about them. Why is that? Who can tell me, Uguti, why do we always find ourselves, Uguti, actually, what happened when we have money? Yini lengaga esenza ukuthi amakhanda asangane as soon as the money hits our accounts? Izinto ziyashintsha. What about that investment? You remember you called Uspanibani to say, may outie, when I get money, I want you to put me in that business of yours. May outie this, baby, this is what we're going to do. Baby, draft down the things that, or people that we owe. So your partner went to make a credit on your behalf. She brought that money into the house for the family to protect your image even from the children, from the family members. She has been there for you. Why, when you have money, now you have new friends? So nabangana basha. Why don't you leave while those things that you are claiming Oguti she used to do to you? Why don't you leave at that time? I've said it on that video. You must check that video. Why didn't you move? While you didn't have money, but you stayed. You ate, you slept, you bathed, you did everything. Guys, call everybody or share this to everybody that you know they are about to receive their money, their what, their invoices have been locked and everything. First thing, they must go to their corner of strength. That's a step number one. Gogo, what is the corner of strength? It's whether you pray or you invoke ancestors or path. Do whatever that you believe in before you get that money. Ask for wisdom to use that money the way you have planned to use it. And most importantly, be honest with yourself. Gogo, what do you mean by being honest with myself? I mean, be honest in a sense, Yoguti. Don't go around borrowing monies that will make it impossible for you to achieve what you want to achieve with the little money you are expecting. Because ancestors will never, or your God will never do anything, will never change the fact that you have already messed up with this money. Maybe you should write down, if you've already messed up, write down all the list of things that you of people that you owe already. Put it aside and let's see the change. Pray for that change. Your ancestors or your God to give you wisdom to use that money. You need that prayer. You need that prayer for you to be able to use whatever money that will be left after paying equally. You need that prayer. You need to uphahle and speak to your ancestors and speak to your God. If there's anything that you normally do after that, whether you are a person that uses umuti, go and get cleansing that will clear your mind. You don't have to tell that person, Uguti, hey, there's money that I'm waiting for. So, Kokubatin, I'm expecting 2 million on my pension fund. So, I'm here to see what can you do for me that will hold this money so that I can see how much I can get. Who? Yeah, you'll get to Ukokubatin and Bata and saying to you, no. You need to bring all that money. How many people do you know that have cashed their entire pension fund. They fought with the bank manager. They've called bank manager names. If it means they must go to the bank every day and take that money so that they can give it to that Gogo Batinimbata to pray for it or to do what, they will do that. The next thing, the money is gone. All of it. Because we talk too much. Because we talk too much. I was telling those that I've assisted on gambling to say, I don't need to know how much you won. That is number one. I don't need to know what you're going to gamble with. Whether you're going to play lotto, you're going to do a bet, whatever, you're going to the casino. I don't care because I don't have to know. Two, I don't have to know how much you have won. It's not for public consumption. I'm part of the public. I do not have to know. I am not allowed to ask for that money that you have won. It has nothing to do with me. I've just unlocked your ancestors on the gambling part of things, and then I've chosen the ancestor that is going to assist you. That's it. Whatever I charged you, it ends there. Yes, there are people, Abanye, who are dealing with the gambling thing, whereby you need to give them a certain percentage. Yes, it's true. It does happen. I won't come here and be being like presenting myself as if I'm this god of healers. I'm not. We don't work the same way. So if your healer works in a certain way, there is a ritual whereby when you win something, you take a certain percentage of that money to the healer. There's something that they're going to do for you, and a portion of that money will go back to you. The other portion is for that healer, for you to be able to win and win and win. There are rituals they are going to perform. I know that. The fact that I cannot do that one, it doesn't mean I will say to you, it does not happen. No, I'll be lying to you. It does happen. But if you are waiting for your pension fund, you want what, please make yourself a favor. Go to your believer. What is your faith? Where is your faith lies? Or on a church or on ancestors? There are those that they don't belonging anywhere. They are just in a vacuum. They don't pray. They are not in ancestors. That is your belief itself. But ask yourself, how disciplined are you when it comes to monies? Are you going to handle this money? Are you going to do what it takes for this money to cover things that you've planned to cover? Or you're just going to find yourself in a position where I don't know what happened to that money? Let's not lie to ourselves. There's nothing like that. I do not know what happened to that money. There's nothing like that. The reason you are not seeing where money goes, one, we don't plan, we don't budget. We don't budget. Two, we are not honest with our budget, even if we budget. Three, we are not being realistic. Because you cannot just budget in a vacuum. You need to know you're budgeting for what, for how much. There's a difference between listing things that you're owing and budgeting. Budgeting, it's based on what you're going to get, for sure. Then you go to that list when there's money left, to go to that list and put it aside. Go to your prayer corner, phahla, pray. Go and consult with your healer. You don't have to tell them unless it is the requirement. I respect that. Go to your healer. Tell them that you need a cleansing that will assist you to even get a small thing that you think is small, bonuses, performance bonuses, annual increase. There are people that are getting very good annual increase. They don't know what to do with it. They do things that they didn't plan to do. Why? Because of There's no focus on what they've planned to do. Salwa sendwa to gogo bathini bathi ungavula kuvala emzini amadoda u-anti usha. Till next time, thokozani.